Plane traveling at a speed of 180 meters per second along a horizontal circle makes an angle of 35 degree or theta. As shown in the figure, the lift force L is acting in the direction shown in the figure. So basically the plane is moving in a circle like that, okay, with some radius r, right, and we have to calculate that radius, okay. So let's draw the free body diagram of the plane. So this lift force is actually L, and this angle is theta. So this angle is also going to be equal to theta, and this will be our 90 minus theta. So this lift force, which is in this direction, will have a projection in this direction, which will be equal to L sine theta, and it will have a projection in the vertical direction, which is going to be equal to L cos theta, okay, because this angle now will be theta, okay, 90 minus theta, theta like that. So, and there is a gravitational force mg acting on the plane. Because the plane is simply moving in the circle, this mg will be balanced by this lift force L cos theta, and this force L sin theta, which is acting towards the center, is going to be our centripetal force FCP, which will provide the plane the necessary centripetal acceleration to move in a circle, and this one is going to be equal to mv square by r, right, where r is the radius of the circle it is rotating into. And we have to find the r, so we are going to take r on that side, but before we're going to put the value of FCP, which is L sine theta into r, and that is going to be mv square. Now m we can calculate from here. M is going to be equal to L cos theta divided by g. So I'm going to substitute for that. L cos theta divided by g, and then v square. This is L sine theta r. Now we can see here that this L actually cuts. So I'm going to take g on this side and cos theta down. So now we'll have sine theta cos theta down, cos theta into r, and that is going to be equal to v square by g. Now this one will be equal to tan theta, right, tan theta r, and we have to calculate r. So r is going to be v square divided by g. R is g tan theta, okay. So r is going to be v square divided by g tan theta. So let's calculate that r. That's going to be v square divided by g tan theta. Now let's look at what value of v they have given. Okay, so v is 180 meters per second. So 180 into 180. Okay. G will take as a 10. And then tan, the value of theta is given to be 35. So that's going to be tan 35 degrees. And when you compute that, it is going to be equal to tan theta is 0.7. And that's going to be 4628 meters, or roughly 4.6 kilometer radius. Okay. So plane is sort of circling like that, the radius of 4.6 kilometers, and that will be our final answer.